In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a class in Webflow. We'll walk through this right from your Webflow dashboard, so you can follow along on your own project. Deleting a class is useful when you want to strip styles from an element or clean up your design without affecting the rest of your site more than necessary. First, go ahead and log into your Webflow account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can see all the sites in your workspace. Find the site you're currently working on. When you hover your mouse over that project, you'll see an option that says Open in Webflow. Click that to open the Webflow designer for that specific site. After the designer loads, you're now inside the site builder. Here's where you'll choose the element whose class you want to remove. You can click directly on the element on the canvas, or you can use the navigator panel on the left to select it from the structure of the page. Once it's selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. This is your settings and styling area. At the top of that right-hand panel, make sure you're on the Style tab. It usually looks like a paintbrush icon. This is where all the visual styling options live. If you're on a different tab, such as the Settings or the Interactions tab, you won't see what you need, so double check that the paintbrush is active. Near the top of the Style tab, you'll see the Style selector. This is a small field that displays the class or combo classes applied to the element you've selected. It might show a single class name or a base class plus one or more combo classes. This is what controls the look and feel of that element. Now, hover your cursor over the class you want to remove in that selector field. As you hover, a small downward pointing arrow will appear on the right side of the class name. This arrow opens a small menu with actions for that class. Click the arrow, and from the drop-down, choose the option that says Remove Class. As soon as you select Remove Class, that class is detached from the element. You'll see the styles associated with it disappear from the element on the canvas. If you change your mind, you can always undo using the standard undo shortcut in Webflow. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a class from an element in Webflow.